Every low-code builder runs into problems with their tools, but where do you go to quickly find help, fix some bugs, or learn directly from an expert? And if you are an expert, where can you go to find clients? And how do you get fair compensation for your work? As a low-code agency, we want to make it as easy as possible for anyone to find quality low-code support they need or to offer their services as a builder in this emerging space. Today, I want to introduce you to LowCodeEngineers.com. Hi, I'm Tom from xray.tech, the workflow company. At Xray, we use low-code tools to create thousands of hours of time for our members each year. If you'd like to see more videos every week about low-code automation, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and turn on those notifications too. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can book hourly low-code support from vetted experts through Low-Code Engineers. And if you are a low-code engineer yourself, I'll show you how you can start building a career working with the low-code software you already know and love. I've spent the last decade running agencies of my own and hiring agencies for contract work. All of that experience has informed low-code engineers and inspired us at Xray to make it as convenient, transparent, and flexible as possible. I just can't wait to share it with you all now, so let's get started. Low-Code Engineers is Xray's new service for connecting anyone with low-code experts who can build, fix, or update their low-code projects. Low-Code Engineers can help you design and deploy a site in Webflow, create an automation in Zapier or Make, and set up a database system in Airtable, and a whole lot more. You can get support at any scale from Low-Code Engineers. Whether you want help on a long-term project or just need another set of eyes for a quick fix, Low-Code Engineers has you covered. You can hire vetted builders on an hourly basis for convenience and flexibility. Just go to the site, book some time, and describe your goals to get matched with a qualified expert. We handle all the logistics. You just need to show up on the call and be ready to talk about what you want to have built. After your call, you'll be sent a resources board with all the relevant materials from your call. First, I'll give you a look at how you can use Low-Code Engineers to book time with an engineer. Then, I'll give you some information about signing up as an engineer if you were looking to get paid for working with the tools you already know and love. To get started, just go to LowCodeEngineers.com. You can also find that link in the resources board in this video's description. Click on Hire an Engineer at the top of the page, then choose the amount of time that you want to schedule. We offer packages of 1, 4, and 10 hours. This will take you directly to a booking calendar, showing you every available time slot for a qualified low-code engineer. Pick a time that works for you, then enter your email to receive a verification code. This just ensures that your email is correct. Fill in your name and phone number. Then we'll ask you for some basic information about you and the support you're looking for. The more detail you provide here, the better we'll be able to match you with the right expert. Make sure to note all of the software you're using, the problem you're experiencing, and what you're trying to accomplish. To finish scheduling your appointment, you'll need to enter your payment information and click Pay Now. Every appointment is billed at a flat rate of $250 per hour. This rate makes it affordable for anyone to get hourly low-code support and ensures that we can provide fair compensation for the network of expert builders on the platform. Once you've scheduled some time, we'll automatically send you your own personalized Xray workflow board for managing all of your low-code engineers' appointments. Xray Workflow is a tool that we've built to organize and share resources from anywhere on the web. On your board, you'll see a presentation explaining the process of working with a low-code engineer, including the rules for the call and information about the refund policy. You'll also see Xray Tools, an automation search engine built by xray.tech to help you discover what you can automate with the tools you're already using. Lastly, you'll see a pin called Debriefs. This is where all of your meeting recordings, AI summaries, and full transcripts will live for every appointment that you book with low-code engineers. This resources board is also where your engineer will save resources for you to review another time. Things like API docs, useful links, or even tutorial videos that your engineer wants to share with you will all be referenced in this one resources board. After your call is finished, you can return to your board to review all of the material from previous appointments, or you can book more time with your engineer. If you'd like to book some time today, just check out the resources board in the description of this video. Low-Code Engineers is just as easy for everyone on the other side of the equation too. If you're a low-code builder looking for a good way to get paid for your expertise, then Low-Code Engineers is right for you. With hourly engagements, we excel at flexibility. Whether you're a freelancer or a full-time professional starting a side hustle, you can find gigs that fit your schedule on Low-Code Engineers. If you're interested, just go to lowcodeengineers.com and click on Become an Engineer to apply today. That link will take you to a calendar where you can schedule time for an interview with the team responsible for vetting your expertise. Be prepared to give a demo of a system you've built on your tool of choice, and let us know what your availability is for taking on new customers. If you're approved, you'll be onboarded into lowcodeengineers.com and you'll be able to claim any appointment that you've got the right skills for. You'll also get access to X-Ray Workflow directly as an editor, so you can see and manage all of the resources boards for any of the customers that you've claimed. This shared resources board gives you the control over all the information that the client can see and helps focus their attention on the aspects of your work that require their input or acknowledgement. No more messing around with negotiations, writing out complicated contracts, or figuring out ways to send and receive payment. Just claim a request, show up to the appointment, and share your expertise. All of the project management that used to bog you down will be taken care of by low-code engineers. From follow-up emails and payments to call recordings and transcripts, low-code engineers handles all the logistical tasks so you can focus on just doing the work. We built low-code engineers to help everyone in the low-code space, from builders and agencies to companies and entrepreneurs trying to save some time with low-code tools. For low-code builders, finding work can often be a challenge, and frankly, freelancer sites like Upwork and Fiverr are a race to the bottom, and that just sucks for everybody. They encourage talented freelancers to constantly undercut each other's prices in an extremely competitive environment, and they leave most of the logistical work up to the users themselves. Negotiating terms, requirements, timelines, and payment for each project is left up to the individual builder, adding unnecessary complication to every task. And things aren't any better for the customers and clients in this setup either. Projects and problems come in all shapes and sizes, and sometimes you're just looking for a quick fix, and it's not worth hiring an agency for a monthly retainer. But scouring freelancer sites makes it difficult to find someone with proven experience in addition to the unavoidable negotiations. Low-code engineers makes it easy for anyone to book time with a vetted expert, complete their project or fix some bugs, and get back to work. For experts, low-code engineers makes it easy to apply, offer their services, give support, and build a book of business. With automated and AI systems for project management, it's never been easier for an expert to manage dozens of clients at the same time. Now there's a better way for everyone to collaborate in the low-code space. For a flat hourly rate of $250, Low-Code Engineers connects you with vetted low-code builders who can keep your projects moving along. And with software like X-Ray Workflow and X-Ray Tools, you and your engineer can easily stay connected and informed with what's possible with the low-code apps you already use. If you've enjoyed this video, prove you're human, like and subscribe for more automation tips every single week. If you'd like to learn more about no-code and low-code automation, follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook, and you can find all of our content on our website at xray.tech. You can check all those links in the resources board down below, and as always, find your focus and stay in flow. Trying to future-proof yourself? Start designing the way your team works with no-code tools, automation, and AI. In X-Ray's Workflow Designer course, we'll show you how to break down every part of a process to find the best opportunities for automation, and how to integrate those automations into your team's daily work. You'll learn how to create time for your entire team, get more reliable results, and give everyone a newfound clarity and confidence in their work. Just go to this URL to learn more. The entire package includes over 2 hours of premium video content, challenging example projects, and tons of helpful resources. The course costs just $250 and gives you lifetime access to a Slack community of workflow designers building systems in dozens of different industries. Space is limited, so join the free waiting list today to get notified as soon as the course is live later this year. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon in our Workflow Designer course.